This is going to be the elevator at the Fairfield Inn and Suites, Indianapolis Airport in Indianapolis. And we have a Dover impulse. And the indicator is completely burned out. All right, let's get a cab view. This thing is pretty small, as you can see. Not very big. Wow, only a 2,000 pound capacity. This looks like an early impulse because it's got the older brails on it. Non-ADA compliant phone. Well, here we are at 1. I think we might take one more ride on this. It takes a second to level. Oh, and check this out. It's got a bumper. And the door close button works. Here we go. Well, the indicator's completely burnt out, so I guess we'll just watch the button go out. Hey, that's a good place to put a hand sanitizer dispenser. But here we are at 3. Big bump. Dover. Almost instant door close too. Overall, other than the completely burnt out indicator, this is a nice impulse. Very clicky button. Hand sanitize. This thing's a tad bit slow for a hydraulic, but it's still pretty nice. All right, here we are at 1. And there it goes, and that'll be it.